Hey guys, Garrett Haglin here with Northland Fishing Tackle. Early June I was up on Lake of the Woods targeting smallmouth with the Impulse Fatty Tube, and I gave tips based on rigging, retrieval, and location. This time around it is about mid-July and I want to give the same tips, rigging, retrieval, and location using the Impulse 5-inch dipstick, my Northland Fishing Tackle. So let's start with rigging. One of the easiest ways, and probably my favorite ways to do it, is a weightless wacky rig. Now to do that, take the center of your dipstick here, take the hook right through the center, and that's it. It's wacky easy, wacky simple, and wacky effective. Just watch this. When retrieving a wacky rig, casting it out and letting it sink for an extended period of time is crucial. Oftentimes you'll get bit on the downfall, but if not, sharp twitches with your rod away from the bait gives the dipstick a wacky swimming action, triggering reaction bites. My personal preference for a wacky rig setup is a 610 medium light spinning rod with 6 to 8 pound fluorocarbon line. Location is crucial when it comes to midsummer largemouth. When water temperatures are over 70 degrees, largemouth bass can be found in heavy cover, like around sunken islands surrounded by vegetation, near shorelines with thick weed lines leading to deeper water, and under docks. A wacky rig also makes an easier rig to use to skip underneath docks. All of these options are great places to find largemouth and great places to use a wacky rig. But I hope these three tips on location, rigging, and retrieval help you guys out today. For me, I'm gonna get back to fishing, so thanks for watching. Got him!